Starting a new business is expensive. Product photos, ads, graphic design, it all adds up. But what if I told you there's one AI tool that can replace a full creative team? It's called NanoBanana. And today I'm going to show you 10 powerful ways it can level up your photos and designs. And if you want to try all of these prompts for yourself, join our community where we are sharing them. Here's how it works in just 5 steps. First, open the Gemini app or AI Studio. The app is great for casual use, while AI Studio is designed for bigger projects. Second, upload your product photo or simply describe it in text. For example, a blue ceramic coffee mug with a glossy finish. Third, set your goal. Tell NanoBanana if you need a clean Amazon listing, a lifestyle Instagram post, or an ad banner. Fourth, add your brand style by including your colors, tone, or must-have details. And fifth, generate a few variations, refine them step by step, and export the final images in the right size. That's it. It is like having a photographer and designer in your pocket. Now, let's explore 10 sample prompt ideas you can try. The first 5 focus on business needs. First, you can generate clean, professional, white background shots that look studio ready and perfect for product listings. Second, place your product in lifestyle scenes like a desk, kitchen, or cafe to create relatable, scroll stopping social media content. Third, create seasonal ad visuals in seconds, such as beach promos for summer, snowflakes for winter, or neon back to school campaigns. If you want to copy these setups, join our community where we have the full list ready for you. Fourth, you can build consistent catalog images by generating multiple angles of the same product, such as front, side, angled, and close-up shots. Fifth, you can preview your packaging designs by placing your product beside branded boxes in different colors and styles without spending money on printing. And that wraps up the business prompts. Now let's try NanoBanana on more creative photos and styles. For the sixth idea, imagine cinematic portraits styled like 90s Bollywood movie posters with saris, golden hour lighting, and soft film grain for that nostalgic retro look. If creative edits excite you, join our community where we share prompts and results every day. Seventh, you can turn yourself, your pet, or even a favorite product into a collectible figurine, complete with a display base and packaging. Eighth, place yourself into fantasy or sci-fi worlds like enchanted forests, neon cyberpunk streets, or floating castles, while keeping your real identity intact. Ninth, transform yourself into an anime hero or superhero with costumes, dynamic poses, and cinematic backdrops. If you want to try these transformations, join our community where we will give you the exact setups. Finally, for the 10th idea, swap outfits instantly and see yourself in futuristic armor, a 1920s flapper dress, or glamorous couture gowns, all in dramatic backdrops. And that's it. 10 ways NanoBanana can save you money, create pro-level product photos, and unlock amazing creative edits. From Amazon listings to Bollywood posters, this AI does it all. If you want to try these prompts yourself, join our community where we have the full collection waiting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.